The state lawmaker is calling on Governor Janet Mills to find a solution to a problem that now leaves the state facing a lawsuit from the federal government.
The Department of Justice is suing Maine, claiming the state violated the Americans with Disabilities Act. Here's News Center Maine's Alex Haskell.
It sends a horrible message.
Democrat State Senator Joe Baldacci is calling on Governor Janet Mills to personally help find solutions for deficiencies in services provided to disabled children by the Maine Department of Health and Human Services.
In situations like this, she's going to have to dig deep, talk to the middle management, and not just the top management.
It comes just days after the Department of Justice filed a federal lawsuit against the state for violating the Americans with Disabilities Act. In the lawsuit, the DOJ claims Maine fails to provide children access to community-based behavioral health services. As a result, hundreds of children are segregated in institutions because they cannot access the community-based services they are entitled to.
We need to find constructive solutions as soon as possible, and it really has to happen at the executive level.
We reached out to the governor's office about Baldacci's comments. Ben Goodman, a spokesperson for Mills, tells us the governor has been actively engaged. She has been briefed throughout the state's negotiations with the U.S. Department of Justice, and she will remain involved in any ongoing discussions with the litigation. Maine DHHS says the governor and legislature took steps in the last budget to address related concerns previously outlined by the DOJ.
Senator, what do you see being the solution for this?
These are challenging jobs, and they're going to have to do a lot more in terms of wages in order to keep people as well as to attract people.
The way, as Senator Baldacci sees it, to get Maine children the mental health services they're entitled to. Alex Haskell, News Center, Maine.
Because Senator Baldacci is running for re-election, we also reached out to both the Senate and House Republicans for comment on the lawsuit, but we've not heard back.